Hello students, now I am going to tell you the another essay. The topic is coronavirus COVID-19. Let's start. The World Health Organization WHO has declared the new coronavirus outbreak, which originated in Wuhan, China, a pandemic. As of September 20, the global death toll surpassed 9,57,000 amid more than 30.8 million cases. Over 20 million people have recovered from the disease worldwide, according to the data knowledge by the Johns Hopkins University in the United States. What is a coronavirus? A coronavirus family causes illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as a severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS and Middle East respiratory syndrome MERS, according to the WHO. They circulate in and some can be transmitted between animals and humans. Several coronaviruses are circulating in animals that have not yet infected humans. Now, coronavirus is the seventh known to affect humans, has been named COVID-19. What is the symptoms? Common sign of infections include fever, coughing and breathing difficulties. In severe cases, it can cause pneumonia, multiple organ failure and death. The incubation period of COVID-19 is between 1 and 14 days. It is contagious before symptoms appear, which is why so many people get infected. Infected patients can be also asymptomatic, meaning they do not display any symptoms despite having the virus in their systems. Where did it come from? China alerted the WHO of cases of unusual pneumonia in Wuhan on December 31. COVID-19 is thought to have originated the seafood market, where on February 7, Chinese research that coronavirus could have spread from the infected animals to humans through legally trafficked pangolins priced in Asia for food and medicines. Scientists have pointed to either bats or snakes as possible resources. Should I worry? How can I protect myself? The WHO declared the virus a pandemic in March 11 and said it was deeply concerned by the alarming levels of spread and severity of the outbreak. The WHO recommends basic hygiene such as regularly washing hands with soap and water and covering your mouth with an elbow when sneezing or coughing. Maintain physical distancing, keeping at least 1 meter 3 feet between yourself and others, particularly if they are coughing and sneezing, to avoid touching your face, eyes, mouth with an unwashed hands. Avoid unnecessary unprotected contacts with animals. To be sure to thoroughly wash hands after contact. Use mask and be safe at your home. In India, we followed the lockdown system as many other countries to make safe us and our families. Thank you. Have a nice day.